English opposite words for kids part 2 made easy. Cheap, expensive. Children, this silver is cheap. This gold is expensive. Cheap, expensive. Little, big. Children, this baby is little. This boy is big. Little, big. Loud, quiet. Children, this loudspeaker is loud. This girl is quiet. Loud, quiet. Day, night. Children, this is daytime. This is night time. Day, night. High, low. Children, this kite flies high in the sky. This ant walks low on the ground. High, low. Light, dark. Children, this t-shirt is light colored. This t-shirt is dark colored. Light, dark. Up, down. Children, these balloons are going up. This water is coming down. Up, down. Wet, dry. Children, this umbrella is wet. These clothes are dry. Wet, dry. Thin, thick. Children, this newspaper is thin. These books are thick. Thin, thick. Short, tall. Children, this pencil is short. This scale is tall. Short, tall. Old, young. Children, this man is old. This boy is young. Old, young. Happy, angry. Children, this boy is happy. This boy is angry. Happy, angry. Sweet, sour. Children, this candy is sweet. These lemons are sour. Sweet, sour. Open, shut. Children, this boy eyes are open. This boy eyes are shut. Open, shut. Strong, weak. Children, this lion is strong. This mouse is weak. Strong, weak. Rich, poor. Children, this man is rich. This man is poor. Rich, poor. On, off. Children, this TV is on. This TV is off. On, off. Fly, crawl. Children, this bird flies. This caterpillar crawls. Fly, crawls. Good, bad. Children, these fruits are good. These junk food are bad. Good, bad. Right, left. Children, this finger is pointing towards right. This finger is pointing towards left. Right, left. Father, mother. Children, this man is father. This girl is mother. Father, mother. Town, village. Children, this is a town. This is a village. Town, village.